Object with the weight W is dragged along an horizontal plane by a force acting along a rope attached to the object. If the rope makes an angle theta with a plane, then the magnitude of the force is, here we have an equation, where mu is a constant called the coefficient of friction, for what value of theta is force smallest. So, here I already wrote the formula. Now I'm gonna derive using quotient rule, because we want to find the critical point, in this case the minimum. So here I already derived. Now we got this equation, and we are going to equal to 0. Why? Because we want to isolate the angle to find where the force acting is smallest. So here I wrote that like that this term of this upper term is x and this lower term is y. So we have x divided y is 0. We know that x is equal to 0 and y have to be a number different to 0. So here we omit this part because we know that have to be different to 0, and we pass to this one. In this part we know that mu and weight have to be a number different to 0, because we are going to we know in the problem that we have some friction and some weight. So we are going to isolate cosine and sine. After I isolate cosine, we got that cosine is equal to sine, and an angle in which cosine and sine are the same is in 45 degrees. Also, we can prove this. So I'm gonna isolate cosine. We passed to divide to the other side, and sine over cosine is equal to tangent. So we got 1 equal to tangent. We are gonna isolate the angle, and we got that the angle is tangent to the negative 1 of 1. We do all the process in the calculator. We got 45 degrees. And the answer of this problem, what value of theta is force smallest, is 45 degrees. Thank you.